Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're coloring alphabets A to Z. First we are using red color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we're mixing and using red color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand, I for ice, and J for jackfruit. Kids, the next one is K. K for kite. L for lion, M for moon, M for mango. Kids, we are again using red color, and the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus, P for penguin, and the next one is Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice, and the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Subscribe to our channel. T. And the next one is U. U for umbrella, V for van. The next one is W. Kids, the next one is X, Y, and the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Now we're coloring 2D shapes. First we are draw and coloring the shape of star. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we're coloring the shape of star. The next one is pentagon. We are again using blue color. Kids, now we are using the color of yellow. Now we are using yellow color and coloring the shape of square. The next one is triangle. We are again using yellow color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're coloring the shape of triangle. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is circle. Now we are using the color of green. Now we are using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're using green color. Now we're mixing green color. Subscribe to our channel. The last one is trapezoid. The shape of trapezoid, we are again using green color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.